carbon fiber paint. If you look in the mirror, there's a little tiny flag, Italian flag, and I just love details like this. This whole car is full carbon fiber body. Yeah, I mean the interior, black interior, red stitching. Everything else is carbon fiber basically, and it just looks amazing. I love the wheels as well. This is the Roadster. This is the Huayra Roadster. So again, titanium exhaust, red Huayra Roadster name, amazing details. I love the red decals on it, the red accents. These polished wheels look amazing, and the brakes are huge. I really like this car. I mean, Pagani's, especially this one, the Huayra Roadster, are dream cars of mine. I mean, I would probably buy almost everything here, but wow. Sorry if I'm too boring, but I'm forgetting to speak when I see this. Look at the interior. I love the mechanical gouges. I love the mechanical gouges. Wheels. Oh, I just noticed it. Now, but so for you to see all the options available on the car, on this side there are polished wheels, and if you walk around it, there are black wheels, so you can actually see the car from all the angles, from all the sides. I mean, look at the interior. It just looks insane. It's from another planet. Holy cow. I mean, I would like to get in, drive off. Fortunately, can't do that. One more thing, here's the detail of the roof for the Roadster here. And I mean, the amount of carbon fiber on the car is amazing. Obviously, it's full body carbon fiber, but all the attention to detail. I know I said it like a million times before, but attention to detail is insane. I mean, even the roof looks pretty good. Alright, let's move on.